Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. This video is how to get salon quality hair at home. I'm going to show you guys how I get my kind of boho, beachy, wavy vibe, perfect for summer. Super duper easy. I'm going to show you guys my before hair before all this in a second. You'll see why I have my hair curled in every single video. I literally never wear it straight. It is so flat. This video is sponsored by Pantene. We're going to be using a few products from the Pantene Waterless collection. Of course, all thoughts and opinions are my own. And yeah, I'm really excited for this video. You guys always ask me how I curl my hair, and now I'm finally sharing it with you. And it's so easy. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I have such flat, greasy hair. This is freshly washed, freshly blow-dried hair, and you can see it's pin straight. I have no volume, no shape, no body, no nothing. And we need a little something, especially right now when like my hair color is a mess. Like I have to do everything I can to make myself like feel better about it. First and foremost, if your hair is anything like mine, you probably also survive on dry shampoo. At least I do. It's my best friend. This is the Pantene Never Tell Dry Shampoo. I'm actually almost out of mine. I've been using it for over a month and it's fantastic. There's no sulfate, there's no parabens, and there are actually ingredients in this formula that are good for your hair. They have provitamin B5, wild mint, and that really helps to absorb the dirt and oil. Just give us back some body, you know? So I like to start just kind of moving in little slices down the side of my scalp. Give it a good shake. And I'll give it a few spritzes. I survive on dry shampoo. I don't like to wash my hair too often. Honestly, I probably wash my hair once a week. I'm not even kidding you. So dry shampoo literally is like my life. I live off of it. It's healthier for your hair in the long run. You know, overwashing it can really dry it out. Plus, if you get your hair colored at all, you can be washing out your toner and your hair color way more often, and you pay so much to get that done. This way you can just feel fresh, you feel good, and your hair smells amazing. The scent in this is amazing. And one step you do not want to forget, especially if you have flat hair like mine, is to get back here at your crown. Really get in there. That's where we want a lot of our volume. Okay, so once I have my dry shampoo in, I like to leave it sit for a minute or two. I just swear by this method. You have to let it soak up those oils for a second. Sometimes I feel like people brush it out too quickly and they don't get the same results. Let it sit, let it soak. Enjoy some coffee, check your Twitter, play a little round of Candy Crush, and then get back to brushing. I just drank so much coffee, it feels so good, oh my god. Anyway, now that the dry shampoo has set, I like to kind of rub it through any areas that maybe I didn't get personally. Listen, this relaxes me. I take a minute to do my dry shampoo. So once I've kind of massaged it all, I'll just brush it through just to make sure none of the dry shampoo is still showing. Any of my other fellow brunettes out there will know what I'm talking about when that white film just kind of sticks on your head. This one does not at all. I love it. Already, so much more volume, more oomph. I'm starting to feel like myself. Okay, we need to get some curls up in this hairdo, okay? So as for my curls, it's really nothing special. But just for full demo purposes, this is about the size of the curling wand that I use. I'm holding this way close to my face. Oh my god. I like to go from the bottom layer to the top. Also, by the way, my tonsils are like 100% inflamed, and I'm probably gonna have to get them removed soon. I also have a crazy ear infection, so my face and everything is swollen, and my ear is like about to explode. I'm being treated for it, don't worry. But I just wanted to point that out. If you noticed, I'm a little swollen today. I hope it goes down soon. All right, let's get to curling. So I'm pretty loosey-goosey with the sized hair that I take. It's about this size. On the bottom, I'm not as particular because that doesn't really show a whole lot. I kind of just want curls down there to add some body and help support, you know, the top layers. I curl it like that, and then I always pull it straight. So as it cools down, it kind of gets this nice little curl and not so ringlety, you know? Now, I do have fairly long hair and a lot of it, so curling does take a decent amount of time for me. Just like that. Again, pull it straight. And then I just love when you pull it straight, you get that really nice, really loose, really boho curl. Does anyone else have like the worst breakage around like the nape of their neck? I think it's because I always have my hair like up in a high bun and it just tends to break down there. If I'm just like lounging around the house, I always throw my hair up. I'm gonna go ahead and buzz through kind of this middle section because it's really the same. Buzz, fast forward through, and then I'll show you guys what I do on my top layer. Okay, so pretty much everything is curled. I left this top layer because I do this a little bit differently. So let me separate and find my part. Okay, so starting with this side, I like to take much smaller sections. This is the part where, you know, you're going to see the most. It's your top layer. I like to keep them small so that they're kind of a little more, you know, just textured. If you do too big of chunks, it can kind of all fall together and you don't get that, you know, really nice boho texture. So I like to take these little pieces and again, continue pulling. Just much smaller section. So it's really not that different, just different amount of hair. So the method and the curling is the same, it's just a much smaller amount of hair. So we can really keep that bounciness on the top layer. Curling my hair is like so therapeutic for me. It's just like, I don't know why, just really satisfying to me. I love to play with my hair if I'm ever like just super stressed out or I need to like think something over, I'll come and curl my hair. I just will. Now, especially around the face, this is where I'll kind of take the smallest amount of hair because I do have, well, I did have some sort of a cut bang situation. They're pretty grown out at this point, but I like this to be, you know, kind of its own thing up here. I think it just helps to frame the face. You see, you get like a nice face frameage. All right, so this is the general vibe of my curls. Pretty easy, pretty simple. That's why I love it. For the final touch, we're going to be using the Pantene Misbehaving Dry Conditioner Mist. This stuff is really cool. It's literally a dry conditioner, but you don't apply this to the root. You want to give her a good shake before you use it. This also, by the way, contains really awesome ingredients. We have, let's see here, provitamin B5, omega-9, aloe vera, jojoba oil, and it helps to instantly hydrate and nourish smooth, unruly, frizzy hair or flyaways. I don't like to use hairspray anymore. It makes my hair just too crunchy and I think it damages it in the long run. So this is a really nice alternative if you also like really aren't a fan of the hairspray. So you actually apply this like mid shaft to your ends. It's a really light like mist. Oh God, it smells so good. I'm telling you, you smell like you just left the salon. You know that salon smell? Yeah. It's like my favorite smell in the world. I miss it so much. It leaves no crunchy feeling whatsoever. It makes your hair nice and glossy and just, gorgeous. I love how it tames everything. It doesn't weigh your hair down. It just makes it pretty. Same on this side. And you just comb it through and you don't feel it. It is so lightweight. It's not going to weigh your hair down. I have an oily scalp. I'm very conscious of what I put in my hair. This is fine. It's just nice to give your hair a little conditioning treatment without needing to go through the washing, the drying, all that extra damage and breakage. And then from there, it's kind of just playing with it and getting the general feel that you want. I like my front pieces to be kind of pulled out of my curls. And that is it, you guys, from drab to totally fab. That was so cheesy. Anyway, and that is it for my salon quality hair at home, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thank you to Pantene for sponsoring my video today. If you guys would like to check out the Never Tell Dry Shampoo or the Misbehaving Dry Conditioner, I will link them both down below for you guys. They're awesome. You guys will really like these. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!